Dropdowns are very similar to text fields. The only outstanding difference between the two is that you do need a list of options in the case of a dropdown. So let's see how you can create one. Our first page of our PDF is pretty full with all the previously created fields such as text field, checkbox, and radio buttons. So instead, let's place our dropdown on the second page. So in our script, let's add another field, and in this case, we are creating a dropdown field. And similar to the other fields, you do need a name for it. So let's just call it dropdown. And then we're placing it on the second page instead of the first page. For X and Y, let's just maybe place it here. So 100 and 600. So X equals 100, Y equals 600. And then we can also give it a dimension. So let's make it 200 wide, 200 points wide, and maybe 50 points tall. So width equals 200, and then height equals 50. And like what I said earlier, you do need a list of options for it. And inside the list, this is where you specify what options you want it to have. So in this case, let's do apple, banana, and then maybe cherry. And that's it. Let's go ahead and run this script. And if we refresh our PDF, we will see that we have created ourselves a dropdown on the second page with the options of apple, banana, and cherry. So it works.